Hey everyone, what is going on? It is Colin C back from the Crypto Boys, and you guys know how we like to do it on Sunday. Super quick, under 5 minutes. We've been working on videos all morning. It's Joe P's birthday, so if you want to give him a shout out, go ahead. Happy birthday, Joe P. We've got tons of good videos coming out. We've actually had our whiteboard kind of filled out with videos and other things we've got coming for this week. So again, we just want to get a quick crypto review in for the week and kind of where we're headed, where we like to see the market, and what we did this last week with some of our money and so on and so forth. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to tell you is that you've got to be willing to buy when you like a price. The bottom line is you're not going to hit the bottom. I'm gonna let you in on a little bit of a secret. You're not gonna hit the perfect bottom. You're not gonna sell at the perfect top. So you waiting is probably not the best mode all the time. You've got to set your sights on a price that you like. Put a little bit here, put a little bit there, a little DCA every once in a while, and just start stacking the coins that you truly enjoy and you truly believe in. That is ultimately how you're going to become a millionaire and how you're going to become rich. I don't care what project it's in. That's how you do it. Silo, one of my lowest cap investments I possibly have. I think it is my lowest cap. I put $2,800, which is a pretty big value of my portfolio. Put $2,800 into it just this past week because I've been looking for a price that I wanted to buy at. It hit that price. I bought it. Did I care where it's going to go when it's no? Because I'm holding it for not only the long term. Now, if it runs up 100%, then obviously I'm going to take some profit. But listen, that's what's going to happen is that you've got to find prices that you like. The Crypto Boys are always giving you good prices of where we're buying, what we're doing, and good ways to help you in your future and just how that's going to happen. Obviously, it's not financial advice. It is simply what we're doing at this time in the market. It's very uncertain right now. The uncertainty is going to keep going. It's going to keep going for a while. You got inflation running crazy. You've got the Ukraine-Russia thing happening. But think about it. If Ukraine-Russia, if they can kind of figure out a way to figure out their differences and it ends up resolving, think how bullish that's going to be for the market. If we can get these oil prices down, think how much that's going to be bullish for the market. So there are a lot of things that could eventually go right too. Everything's wrong right now. I get it. I'm not Mr. Hopium over here. However, things could start going right, and you could start seeing markets change in a hurry. You're not going to hit the perfect bottom. It's not going to happen. We already said that, but there's opportunities everywhere. You've got to find your opportunities. You need to go after them. If that's just DCAing in one of your favorite projects because you like it, great. If that's holding and doing absolutely nothing because buying the dip means you got to have money, and you don't got no money like Joe and I, well, then stop buying the dip. Stop worrying about it. Start chilling. You got in this. We just ran a poll yesterday on our portfolio or on our YouTube channel, and it was very well spread out for how long you want to invest for, how long you thought you were going to get in the crypto space for. And most people, I think almost 50% of the answers, and there was a decent amount of votes on it, was over 10 years. If you're an over 10-year investor, who cares what the price is doing right now? Who cares? If you bought too high and you bought at the tippy top of this last bull run or just run up, in my opinion, who cares, right? You're gonna do just fine. I know we like the altcoins. That's where we're heavily invested in. We're heavily invested in a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum too. However, we think that the possibilities and the risks do outweigh the reward, or the risks don't outweigh the rewards in some of these altcoins. So that's what we like to get into. So again, this week's going to be an important week. I think one you want to stay forward with. I think one you want to stay on top of. Again, we're going to see this kind of sideways trading action until we see some big news come out in these kind of world events. Until that happens, I just don't know how much the market's going to fluctuate. You're probably going to see it between 35 and 43K as far as Bitcoin goes. And same with the equities market. You're probably not going to see a whole bunch of up and downs with the oil prices and all that stuff going on. The uncertainty is so high. I just don't know how much changing that's going to be. We're still under that 200-day moving average for Bitcoin. And almost always that's a good time to buy. It doesn't mean you have to buy. It just means that historically, it's always a good time to buy. It doesn't mean it won't go lower. It can absolutely go lower. But again, opportunities are everywhere. You have got to look at this market as far as saying, hey, there's opportunities everywhere. Everything is beat down to crap right now. I need to go out and get what I can get, and let's start scooping. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. And we appreciate you guys rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. I'm out.